Hello guys, so I'm going to show you just quickly how to first of all convert any images you have in the HEIC format to JPEG. So just for you guys, HEIC is a live photo from an iPhone. We want it in a JPEG format so we can edit it. The versions of Photoshop we have on school laptops don't actually open HEIC. So all you really need to do is go into Google Chrome, type in HEIC to JPEG, click on the first link and then drag and drop them. So I'm selecting them both, dragging them over, putting them in there. And there's my two photos, and all I've got to do now is download them. So download them individually onto my desktop. So I can get rid of them now. And then go to Photoshop, File, Open, and then open up whichever one of the photos you want to edit.